civilization with the Andean highland through their unique ability to adapt the challenging terrain with techniques like terrace farming. They thrive in rugged landscape, laying the foundation for a prosperous society. With their knowledge at engineering, typically at masonry, they were able to create a sophisticated stone structures and road system. The Incas left behind a legacy that continues to captivate and mystify the world.
The Inca civilization thrived around 1438 and lasted until 1533. Although there are as many myths surrounding the founding of the empire, Manco Capac, the son of Inti, the sun god, is included in all of them, including his sister Mama Ocla. They are assigned to find a suitable place to build an empire. They were told to carry a golden rod called Tapak Yari, which would sink when they arrive at suitable place to build empire. Eventually, it sinks at the fertile land of Cusco. The rod plunged into the ground of Facaritanbo Cave near to the modern location of Cusco, which is a city located in Peru. Manco Capac is remembered for being the guy who started it all, but the truth is that it would be hundreds of years before the Inca tribe developed into a great civilization we revere today. One of the Incas' most successful scientific advances dealt with astronomy. The Incas built the sun temples, or astronomical observatories, at Machu Picchu and Pisac, and were used by Incas astronomers, usually priests, in studying the position of the sun, moon, and the planet Venus. The most crucial events for the Inca generally involved the rising and setting of the sun, moon, and stars. Astronomy was very important to the Inca civilization, partly due to the importance of agriculture. They used astronomy for agricultural purposes. The Incas developed their own lunisolar calendar, a calendar that was based on both the phases of the moon and sun, a 365-day calendar, and they used it in economic activities such as agriculture, mining, warfare, and construction. This calendar system was important to the Incas because they depend on this to fix the days of planting. They check on which the day sun rose over the eastern tower and set on the western tower from a certain location of main plaza of Cusco, and mark that day for planting of corn and potatoes. Also, they mark the day when the sun rose between the towers for general sowing. With no horses and wagons or any wheel-based transportation to transfer their goods to one place to another, the Incas built an astonishing 40,000 of roads, the Inca roads. The road was intended for foot traffic accompanied by llamas or alpacas as pack animals. Some of the roadways were paved with stone cobbles, but many others were natural dirt pathways. Road construction began in mid-15th century when the Inca gained control over its neighbors and started expanding their empire. The Incas' marvelous engineering techniques can be seen at Machu Picchu, often referred to as the lost city of the Incas. It is the most familiar icon of the civilization. Machu Picchu is an Incan citadel set high in the Andes Mountain in Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley, built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone wall. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Temple of the Three Windows.
The Inca civilization had an extensive supply of knowledge about how to cure many illnesses. A major accomplishment of the Inca was performing surgery. The Inca surgeons managed to often and successfully take away small pieces of the patient's hand to treat a head injury. They could remove crush on the diseased limbs and perform brain surgery. The operation on the brain is called trepanation, which involves drilling, cutting, or scraping a hole in the skull, and has been carried out since AD 1000. The Incas were highly adaptable and skilled in working with the Andean terrain. They created advanced agricultural and irrigation systems like terrace farming and aqueducts, optimizing crop growth and water distribution. Their tools like the putfla or chakitakla, hoe or rakana, and heavy club or waktana were especially designed for farming in the steep Andean mountains. The Spanish conquest began in 1532 when a men of 110 and a cavalry of 62 led by Spanish conquistador Francisco Pizarro The Inca rulers resisted until the defeat of Tupac Amaru in 1572. Therefore, the Inca Empire truly fell in 1572.
The Inca Empire, with its remarkable achievements and cultural richness, stand as a testament to human ingenuity. Though their empire may have vanished, the spirit of the Incas endures, woven into the fabric of the Andes.